Are you creating tons of content but still not getting leads or sales? You're not alone. Most creators and businesses focus on getting clicks. But forget about what happens after. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create content that converts, content that doesn't just attract attention, but actually drives action. So what exactly is content that converts? It's simple, it's content designed to make your audience do something. Whether it's signing up for your newsletter, buying your product, or booking your service, every word, image, and CTA has a clear purpose. Most content just attracts views. But content that converts? It connects emotionally, builds trust, and leads your audience to take action. Tip 1. Know your audience deeply. The first step is to understand your audience better than they understand themselves. What are their pain points? What keeps them awake at night? Use tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, and Social Insights to learn what they truly care about. When your content speaks their language and solves their real problems, conversion becomes natural. Tip 2. Write compelling headlines. Next, your headline. It's the gateway to your content. If it doesn't hook attention in 3 seconds, your message is lost. Use emotion, curiosity, and clarity. For example, instead of tips for writing better content, try 10 proven tricks to turn words into sales. See the difference? It promises value and sparks curiosity instantly. Tip 3. Add strong CTAs and visuals. Once readers are engaged, tell them exactly what to do next. Use clear and emotionally timed CTAs like get your free strategy checklist or start your free trial today. Don't bury them, place them where the reader is most inspired. And don't forget visuals, infographics, short videos, and whiteboard animations can make your content unforgettable. One great tool I recommend is InstaDoodle, which lets you create attention-grabbing doodle videos that boost engagement and conversions effortlessly. Tip 4. Track and improve. Finally, measure what works. Use analytics to track your click-through rate, bounce rate, and lead conversions. If something isn't performing well, tweak your headlines, CTAs, or layout. Remember, content that converts isn't written once, it's refined continuously. Now that you know the steps to create content that converts, it's time to put them into action. If you want the complete step-by-step roadmap, examples, and free resources, I've shared everything in detail in my latest blog post. Click the link in the description below to read the complete article on techfee.com and start turning your content into conversions today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips, tools, and tutorials every week.